Parents, stop giving your kids harsh chemical cough syrups. Try this instead. Lemon, turmeric, and garlic work gently but powerfully. Lemon breaks mucus, turmeric soothes inflammation, and garlic fights infection naturally. Perfect for kids because it strengthens immunity without side effects. Remedy: warm water, lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric, very tiny amount of crushed garlic. Optional: honey for taste. Safe, natural, and helps kids sleep better when coughing. Share this with another parent and follow for more kid-safe remedies.